Nelson Mandela was an anti-apartheid revolutionary, former president of South Africa, statesman, and global social justice icon. Nelson Mandela, a South African Gandhi who believed in the ideas of Abraham Lincoln and Martin Luther King. He was born on July 18, 1918 in the small village of Maviso in Transkei, South Africa. His mother's name was Nonkafi Nozikini and she was a Methodist. His father, Gedula Henry Amphikaniswa, served as the local chief and counselor to the emperor. His parents named him Rolihlahla, it means troublemaker. Mandela grew up in the village of Kunu, where he spent his early years grazing cattle and playing with other boys in the town. When he was 7 years old, he was sent to Methodist school, where he got his first name, Nelson, from a teacher. In 1939, Mandela enrolled at the University of Fort Hare in Alice, Eastern Cape for a Bachelor of Arts degree. Here he meets Oliver Tambo. In 1940, he was expelled from the university for joining in a protest boycott. In 1941, Mandela moved to Johannesburg to work for Walter Sisulu, an African National Congress activist. In 1942, he began to attend ANC meetings. In 1942, Mandela completed his Bachelor of Arts degree by correspondence to the University of South Africa. In 1943, he enrolled for an LLB postgraduate law degree at the University of Witwatersrand. On April 2, 1944, Mandela founded the ANC Youth League together with Anton Lembede, Oliver Tambo, and Walter Sisulu. During this time, Nelson got actively involved in the anti-apartheid movement. The organization was established to use new and better methods like strikes, boycotts, non-cooperation, and civil disobedience. On October 5, 1944, Mandela married Evelyn Nokumese, his first wife. In 1950, Mandela was appointed as the president of ANCYL. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's non-violence movement, Mandela fought against apartheid by formulating the Defiance Campaign with many communist groups. The government counteracted Mandela's campaign by permitting mass arrest and martial law. Mandela was imprisoned several times for his active involvement in the anti-apartheid movement. He was also given a suspended prison sentence for his Defiance campaign against unjust laws in 1952. Mandela received his law degree and started working with Terblanche and Briggish during this time. Later he established a law firm with Oliver Tambo named Mandela and Tambo. In 1955, Mandela formed the Congress of the People. In 1956, he and other ANC activists were sentenced for getting involved in treasonous acts against the state. 6 years later, the trial proved them not guilty. Mandela married a social worker, Winnie Madikizela, during the trial on June 14, 1958. Although initially committed to non-violent protest, he co-founded the militant Umkhonto we Sizwe in 1961 in collaboration with South African Communist Party, which led a sabotage campaign against the apartheid government. In 1962, Mandela was arrested, convicted of plotting to overthrow the state and sentenced to life imprisonment at the Rivonia trial. Nelson Mandela served 27 years in prison, initially on Robben Island and later in Pollsmoor Prison and Victor Verster Prison. At that time, South Africa became increasingly isolated as a racist state. Civil unrest had broken out and there was an increasing international boycott and diplomatic pressure on South Africa. There was a worldwide campaign to release Nelson Mandela. On February 11, 1990, Mandela was released from prison by President F.W. de Klerk. Soon after his release, Mandela resumed office at ANC and was elected as ANC President. In 1994, Nelson Mandela became the first black president of the country. As a president, he worked diligently towards terminating apartheid and establishing a new constitution. On December 10, 1993, Mandela and de Klerk jointly won the Nobel Prize to end apartheid peacefully. On May 8, 1995, Mandela launched the National Mandela Children's Fund, a charitable organization aiming to help young people, particularly orphans of the AIDS crisis. On July 19, 1995, Mandela signed a bill creating the Truth and Reconciliation Commission to uncover human rights abuses during the apartheid era. In June 1996, the Growth, Employment and Redistribution Macroeconomic Policy replaced RDP. On December 10, 1996, Mandela signed into law the Republic of South African Constitution, one of the most progressive constitutions in the world. On his 80th birthday in 1998, he married Greta Mitchell, his third wife. In June 1999, Mandela stepped down after one term as president and retired from active politics. He expanded healthcare services, combated poverty, and encouraged land reforms. Mandela became a bridge between the United Kingdom and Libya on the international front. Later, he founded the Mandela Foundation and helped victims in the Burundi Civil War. In November 2009, the United Nations General Assembly declared July 18 as Nelson Mandela Day for Nelson Mandela's anti-apartheid struggle for human rights. More than 250 honors and awards have been presented to Mandela by different countries and institutions of the world. In the year 1990, the Government of India honored him with the country's highest honor, Bharat Ratna. He was also awarded the US Presidential Medal of Freedom, the Soviet Order of Lenin, and the Gandhi Peace Prize. Nelson Mandela has inspired people not only with his work but also with his words. His autobiography, Long Walk to Freedom, provides knowledge and experience capable of shaping ideas. He died at his home in Johannesburg on December 5, 2013 due to a lung infection. His life is an inspiration to all who are oppressed and deprived. I have dedicated my life to this struggle of the African people. I have fought against white domination and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society where all persons will live together in harmony and with equal opportunities. It is an ideal for which I hope to live for and to see realized, but my Lord, if it needs to be, It is an ideal for which I am prepared to die.